Welcome to another episode of Hashtag Not All Women, where we discuss how not all women are the same, even if struggling with the same situations, even if they are given the same set of rules, even if we are from the same gender, even if we live in the same world, our reactions, our responses, everything just differs. And we talk about all of this through the lens of literature. Today's episode might be a little triggering for some, because it talks about sexual abuse, trauma, and the books that I'm going to mention are really dark and can bring up unidentified fears and feelings. So, if you are ready to talk about something like this, please watch it. Otherwise, you can skip and come back to the video whenever you feel like. Before the books that I'm going to mention, I really want to talk about how we have all talked about sexual traumas. Most of the women have even faced it in some form of another. We have all protested also. But when it comes to talking to sexual trauma survivors, not all of us know where to start or how to make them feel safe and seen. So I came across a very important book years ago, which is what we talk about when we talk about rape. It mentions how one can approach sexual trauma survivors, making them feeling safe and seen, but not triggering them or scratching their wounds or making them feel more uncomfortable than life has already made them feel. So must read that one. It's a non-fictional book. Diving in the episode, I have two book recommendations. One is fiction, one is non-fiction. The fiction book is My Dark Vanessa, in which the woman, the protagonist, Vanessa, is a student and she was harassed by her professor for years, but she didn't realize it was harassment or molestation for years until one day something very important happens. Other one is Know My Name by Chanel Miller. It is a non-fictional account by Chanel Miller herself, autobiographical book in which she talks about her struggle with her journey for justice when she was molested on the campus of university. So she was drunk, yet she was brave and active enough to understand that she was being molested. So she took off and filed a complaint, gathered all her family around, and fought for the justice for years to come. It shows us how, even if one person is brave and fighting her way through, the system just exhausts you. How it takes so many years and so many questions to the woman and her dignity. And even if she wants to fight it, it is so tough. Even if she has the support of parents and friends, family, even media, how it just gets so tough. So it's a very important book. I think everyone should read it. Coming to the other book, My Dark Vanessa. Those of you who don't know, grooming, there are people who do grooming to sort of romanticize the act of sexual favors. They just romanticize and talk sweetly to the girls or somehow just flatter them, make them feel like nothing is wrong here. And before you know, the girl just doesn't know where is the line, or even in case of some boys. But this is not all women, so we talk about women. And in My Dark Vanessa, she was molested by her professor for years and she didn't have any support. She didn't have the knowledge how to approach this. She felt it is all very dark romance because the professor makes her read Lolita and convinces her and whatnot, until one day he molests another student of his and they decide to complain against him. And he's scared that Vanessa might also confess and say hashtag me too. Even then, she's in denial and not able to process what happened all those years. These books are so important, and बहुत आसान होता है बोलना कि तब क्यों नहीं बोला, बाद में क्यों नहीं बोला, और ये तो इतनी जल्दी ऐसे बोल रही है, इतना तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ कंपैशन टू सिट विद इट एंड नो दैट नॉट ऑल वुमेन, सबकी अपब्रिंगिंग में फ़र्क होता है, सबके सपोर्ट सिस्टम में फ़र्क होता है, सबको नहीं समझ में आता है कब बोलना है, सबका प्रोसेस करने का टाइम अलग होता है। हैव कंपैशन इंस्टेड ऑफ कंपैरिजन, मेक द वर्ल्ड सेफ फॉर women, read these books and know what goes behind heads of these women. If you are scared to go talk to real people, reading always helps. It does. Reading intensively actually helps you not only say why hashtag not all women, but understand how not all women, because सबके body, brain, nervous system, mentality, society, everything is so different. Even in these books, know my name में जो लड़की है, she was a little drunk, but she was bold enough and brave enough and aware enough to step out of the scene as soon as possible and file a complaint and get her tests done and this and that, da da da. But Vanessa didn't know in the fictional book. I know there are many more Vanessa, people like Vanessa going through life at this point of time, not knowing, not understanding when to act, how to act. So, read intensively, know why not all women, and understand how to approach different human beings with compassion than comparison. That's it for today.